Ayun po yung share ko today. And for that is, you could actually check it here. You could go on the website ng NOAA project. Ito po is project ni Benigno Aquino before. Unfortunately is na-defunded na po siya. Hindi na siya na-funded after 2017. But it's still a good app. Actually, you could check it out on the website. Maganda pa din siya. So from there, you could get an info and idea if yung area ba na bibilin mong property. Isa-search nyo lang doon, ito-type nyo lang if bahain ba siya. So, ipupunta ka na kayo sa app. So, please check this one. So, ayan guys. Ito-type lang natin dito sa Google is Project NOAA. Ayan. Then, let's just click that one. Ayan. So, makikita nyo na dito. May iba-iba actually itong location. But, since I am living here on Cavite, is ito-type ko dito is Cavite. Ayan. So,